everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Fluent English. I'm Lena, and today we're going to talk about jobs.
Hi, friends. I'm Ethan, and we're so happy you're here again. Today, we'll help you talk about your job in English.
Yes, you'll learn simple sentences like, I work in an office, or I'm a teacher. Don't worry, we'll go slowly and clearly, step by step.
And at the end, we'll ask you a question of the day. You can answer it in the comments to practice your English.
Are you ready? Let's go to work.
Okay, Lena, let's start with a simple question. What do you do?
Yes, that's the most common question when people talk about jobs. So, Ethan, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Yes, that's true. And I'm a teacher too. We both work at a language school.
So, the phrase is, I'm Cub. For example, I'm a doctor. I'm a driver. I'm a student.
Let's repeat together. I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a nurse. Great job.
Now, sometimes we use another pattern. I work in. For example, I work in a hospital. I work in a shop. I work in an office.
Or we can say, I work at a school. I work at a restaurant. Remember, in and at both work depending on the place.
That's right. So, Lena, where do you work?
I work at a language school. And you, Ethan?
I work online. I teach English on YouTube.
Nice job. Let's learn some common job words. Repeat after us.
Teacher, someone who teaches students. Doctor, someone who helps sick people. Nurse, someone who helps the doctor. Driver, someone who drives a car, a bus, or a taxi. Chef, someone who cooks food.
Engineer. Someone who builds or designs things. Police officer. Someone who protects people. Waiter. Someone who serves food in a restaurant. Shop assistant. Someone who sells things in a shop.
Now let's make some easy sentences. I'm a doctor. I work in a hospital. I'm a driver. I work for a taxi company. I'm a teacher. I work at a school.
Perfect. Remember, I'm a talks about your job title. And I work in at talks about your workplace.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us slowly.
I'm a teacher.
I work in a school.
I'm a doctor.
I work in a hospital.
I'm a driver.
I work for a taxi company.
I'm a student.
I study English every day.
Good job. You sound great. Okay, Ethan, let's tell a short story about our friend Anna.
Good idea. Anna has a very busy life.
Yes, she's a nurse. She works in a hospital. Every morning, she wakes up at 6 a.m.
She takes the bus to work and helps patients all day. She talks to doctors, gives medicine, and writes reports.
She really loves her job. In the evening, she goes home, eats dinner, and watches TV to relax.
Anna says, I love helping people. My job is difficult, but it's important.
That's a great attitude. Let's repeat some words from Anna's story.
Nurse, hospital, patients, medicine, reports, important.
Nurse. Hospital. Wake up. Go to work. Help people. Drive a car. Teach students. Cook food. Excellent. Those are very useful job words.
Let's review everything we learned today.
We learned how to talk about your job. I'm a teacher. I work in a school.
We learned job words like doctor, nurse, driver, teacher, engineer, police officer, waiter, chef, shop assistant.
We also learned action words. Wake up, go to work, help people, drive a car, teach students, cook food.
And remember, practice makes progress.
Amazing work today, everyone. You did so well.
Thank you for listening to Mr. Fluent English. If you liked this episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
And now, our question of the day. What do you do? Where do you work?
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
See you next time for another fun and easy English podcast. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.